All right, so we're hanging floating shelves. Our floating shelves, they come with this bracket that you see here. The floating shelves are hollow. The first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna find studs. It's a little bit harder to do behind the wood walls, but we had marked them yesterday before we did this. And we know these studs are 16 inch on center most of the time. And we've checked that, so we know they're here. I've marked them with the blue tape. Blue tape is a great thing to use rather than a marker just because it doesn't go. I mean, you could just take tape off instead of having marks in your walls. So I'm just pre-drilling a little hole. I'm using larger screws. These larger screws here, these are 3 inch or 2.5 inch. They're gonna go through this drywall and get studs, and then they're gonna hold that to the wall. I like using bigger, heavy screws with a wider head. We know there's still some give to that. I'm gonna show you how to fix that here in a second. So we have the bracket up on the wall. For a 3-foot shelf, 2 screws are gonna be plenty. That shelf is hollow. I'm just gonna pick which side I like better. Going up, I'm gonna slide that over. And I'm gonna also mark where those studs are, because I'm gonna show you a little trick here. You know, that's where the studs are. I'm gonna come through like this, and you can see there's a little bit of play in that, not much. But if I wanna really sure that up, I'll show you what I do there. I take a small drill bit, and I'm gonna angle that drill bit. So I'm gonna go through this top shelf, through the wall, into the stud. And if I do that, I'm gonna get rid of all that. So I put that at the angle.
Good.
So we're back with a better bit now. Again, that trim screw, we're gonna go through at an angle and catch that stud end at the top of that shelf. And even just with one now, I'd be completely comfortable putting bottles or putting plates or anything on that floating shelf. And so that's an easy install tips on putting one of our floating shelves up. Super easy, you can do it.